Welcome to Birla Balika Vidyapeeth Pilani, where India's future women innovators rise. Birla Balika Vidyapeeth Pilani transforms learning into leadership. Here, technology is not observed, it is built. Watch our girls engineer advanced drone system with precision and purpose, blending classroom intelligence with real-world innovation. Designed, assembled, perfected entirely by the brilliant mind. Take off. Confidence in their hands, command in their vision. As the drone lifts, so do the aspirations of tomorrow's leaders. Breaking barriers, redefining possibilities. Innovations take flight at Birla Balika Vidyapeeth Pilani. Tested with expertise, driven by excellence. The finest inheritance we give a girl child, wings to fly.